Looe. Just met a man from Bury. He lives around here now, but he used to live in Bury many years ago. From Bury, we're just saying that he's been out on his boat this morning. It's very busy here. A blue telephone box. You alright, Chaz?
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Sunshine.
Sunshine. Yeah, I mean, the place is nice.
I was out Wednesday with past the one read conversation.
Some nice sweeties in there. That church is now a market. The Guildhall Market. Beer one coffee shop. It's like an old bank over there. Then you've got the houses up there in the trees. A black swan that's painted blue. I'd have had it black myself. That's nice. I don't know what it represents, but it's nice. Pengellies, prime day boat fish. Q is for quirky and vintage. The church looks well from up here, 1877 it says on that there flag at the top. Ollie's fudge pantry. Co-op. Oh, look at all that fudge. Fudge. More fudge. Pendragon Crafts. Anybody watches Merlin? I recognise that name. I cut through to the harbour, yeah. There's a mountain warehouse shop here, but it looks like it's shut.
I don't know about you, but
A brew,
in the
yeah.
something might be in order.
Yep. There's lots of little shops, streets to go up. Up and down. Hang on, we can't go that way. There's no entry. The Old Cottage Restaurant. Smuggler's Cottage Restaurant. Hot gossip. That looks good, doesn't it, down there? Like church in the background. It's nice to find a street where nobody's walking along. Probably because it's a residential street. But it's nice. People are just interested in the shop areas, whereas I like to have a look around the quieter areas. So what's this church then? The one-handed 18th century turret clock on this tower was given to St Mary's Church, East Looe, by Edward Trelawney in 1737. It was restored by public efforts and subscription in 1996, and it's only got one hand on it. How nice this is. And there's a pub over here. Let's have a wander along here then. Oh, look at them windows. Isn't that nice? Right, let's go back down this way. Osborne House. Wonder if it's any relation to Sharon and Ozzie. Is that Lord Osborne up there? Who knows? An old mangle with a beer barrel under it. Another harbour. Oh, is it the same harbour? We've gone round in a circle. I think it's the same harbour, we've just gone round in a circle. That's a long way down.
Yeah, it is.
On your head.
Hello, seagull, how are you doing?
I don't know which way you're going now.
Well, if you go that way, it brings you on to seafront, and if you go that way, it brings you back into the town centre. So that RNLI parking lifeboats. Lots of yachts, and there's the sea. Oh, sea. Is that cable? Look, look, arch. Don't know what it is. Is that somebody swimming over there? Looks like it. Yeah.
I'm not a stupid one as well. I've left my bloody camera up in the car.
Your car?
Yeah. I'm not.
There's a view round there.
I know it's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah.
A minute or so, the sun will come out again.
Rock Tower Apartments.
You going for a paddle, Glenn?
Nah, I just like listening to the sound of the waves going.
Very rocky round there.
Are you going for a paddle, Bailey?
Yeah, is that allowed on the beach?
I can go on the rock pools round there apparently.
No. I don't think we'll bother.
Just 20p. Oh, nice. You see the rocks down there? Nice over there as well. Yeah, down here doing metal detecting. I wonder if he's found anything. Beep, 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 beep. To commemorate the opening of the Lower Quay Pontoon by the Royal Highnesses, the Duke and Duchess of Cornwall on 14th of July 2014. I think that car needs a wash. Ye old grog and ale house. Right. I think we'll call that the end of the video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't done already, you could subscribe, that'd be wonderful. It helps the channel grow. If you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification icon, that way you'll get notified next time we put a video on. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Bye, Shaz.
Bye.